Hey guys, happy Friday. I already did my makeup, but I wanted to show you guys the updated Danessa Metallics palette. So gorgeous, and it is, look at all these little popular mask things on here. This palette is pretty gorgeous, and I wanted to be able to swatch it for you guys. If anyone has been thinking about it and wanted to see what it looks like first, it is a limited edition palette, collab with Danessa Myricks and LimeLife, and I'm going to show you guys right now. So I did my makeup today using this palette. Actually decided to use 3 colors out of this palette, and it looks a little bit intense. Like, how could you possibly wear 3 different colors? It would just be a bit too much, right? But it looks really subtle on my eyes, if you can see. So out here on the outer corner, I'm wearing this gray color here, and I don't have all the names memorized. And then on the inner corner, I'm wearing this orange color, and then underneath, I'm rocking this blue right here. So I'm just gonna start with the colors, starting with the bottom left, which would be this one right here. So I'm gonna show you this, and I think the best way to show you probably is gonna be right here on my arm.
Mama, I washed the blush.
Look at how gorgeous that is.
Ta-da!
Oh, good job.
Exactly.
Hey guys, how's it going tonight?
I said, Mama.
So tonight is not a makeup night for me because I was already doing it. Are you okay?
I said, Mama.
And then I'm gonna do this color next. So this is one that was released by Danessa Myricks, but it's actually been reformulated. Look how creamy those are, how gorgeous. So I did a look with this color the other night. Hey Rayla, how are you? Now I'm gonna move on to this color, which I'm wearing tonight on my eyes up here, and it's very blendable. It's just really gorgeous shades. So there's that dark kind of gunmetal silver. It's super pigmented. You can see from my fingers how pigmented these guys are. And these are all the gorgeous colors. If you like color and you like a little bit of metallic in your life, this is gonna be a must for you. So here's our lighter green color. I think that one is called Eris or Empress, I forget which one. Gorgeous, gorgeous holiday colors, perfect for those New Year's Eve parties that we're all getting geared up for. Here's our jewel tone purple, which is a gorgeous shade. Look at that. So pretty. And then I'll take my thumb and go into this blue. Hopefully not doing too much here. Eek. Okay, it's kind of an awkward position for me on the blue here. Let me try that one again. There you go, so blue. And then I'm running out of fingers here. Let me try and wipe. Let me grab a wipe. Wipe these fingers off because they're way super pigmented. But there's the colors so far. So pigmented. Gorgeous, gorgeous shades for all skin tones. Let my fingers dry for a moment before I dip them back in. So I have 2 colors left, this dark green and then the dark deep purple. It's almost like a garnet. So here's our dark green. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then the dark purple here. Look at that. Gorgeous. I'm in love with these shades. In love with these shades. Let me just tell you. Telling you guys. You have to get it. Have to. It's too cute. Too beautiful. Oh, too beautiful. Okay. So.
Mommy, oh my toe.
All right. So that's what I had to show you guys tonight. I hope you guys are getting ready to enjoy your holidays with your families, spending lots of time with them, not worrying about what's going on social media. And I'm going to talk because I'm on social media, obviously showing you guys what I have right now. If you want this palette for the new year, let me know because I'll hook you up with this. You get free shipping with it, anything over $58. And you won't get it for Christmas because Christmas is in 4 days. And if you're looking for a last minute gift though, I do have some lips and some skincare on hand. Otherwise, you guys can always check out my site and see what's going on, what's happening there. We have an awesome joint. Ow! Penelope, please stop. She's banging on my knee with that little like plastic hammer, but it really hurts. Please stop. We have an awesome joint incentive for this coming month to jumpstart your business. So if you've been watching and it's time to go. Oh, that does not feel good. So you guys have a great night and I will catch up with you guys later. No more back massage. Ouch. Bye.